This is Black Rain. Working the mill. Let's go, Rain. Let's go, Rain. Let's go, Rain. Let's go, girl. Let's go, girl. Let's go, girl. This is only her second day working the mill. She's off a grand champion, Smash Blood, and straight off of Fedor and Coco. Let's go, girl. 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 Let's work. Let's work. Let's work. Let's work. Let's work. Let's work. Let's work, girl. Let's work. Let's work. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Let's work. Let's work. Let's work. Let's go, girl. Let's go, girl. Let's go, girl. As you can see, she's a very hard worker. She loves to run her mill. Okay. Let's go, girl. This is one hard-working little bitch.